My friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now. Friends, in this video we have a look of Enjin coin. In this video I will show you the high price, the price change and the current price and the current condition of the Enjin coin in the cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so remember to subscribe IBS Tech channel for more this kind of urgent videos, notification and news and updates. As you can see here, friends, the last 1 hour price predictions, the currently price predictions occurs in the Enjin coin live you are watching now. The change as negative 0.85% occurs in the last 1 hour in the Enjin coin, and the high price is $3.28 is the high price of Enjin coin in the last 1 hour at this time. So friends, if we look the price predictions chart of the Enjin coin, so as you can see here, they falls down in the start of this hour continuously gradually, and now in the last 20 minutes they are very fastly falls down, as you can see here. And now currently at this time they are also in the falling mode. Now let's see let's check it out the 4 hour price predictions. What's the price change goes in the previous last 4 hour? Absolutely good change occur in the last 4 hours. If you look at the price chart, as you can see, are moving upward, but they are fast down in the last 1 hour, as I show you in this in the start of this video, that in the last 1 hour at this time the Enjin coin are falling down, friends. The average change occur in the last 4 hours is positive 3.75%, and the high price is $3.28 is the high price of Enjin coin in the last 4 hours. Let's check it out the last 1 day price prediction, and after that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold Enjin coin. So friends, as you can see here, the last 1 day price predictions of the Enjin coin is absolutely a good change. Very high explosions occur in the Enjin coin, as you can see here, but unfortunately now they are in the falls, so maybe they goes upward in the future. The average change occur in the Enjin coin in the last 1 day is positive 0.77%, and the high price is $3.3 is the high price of Enjin coin in the last 1 day, friends. So absolutely a good change occur in the last 1 day, last 2 hour, last 4 hour, and the last 1 hour. So friends, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in this coin, please do your own research. And my suggestion for all of Enjin coin holders, that please hold your Enjin coin with the last of this month, because the big explosion of the Enjin coin are coming soon. So please hold it and make a good amount of profit with the Enjin coin. What's your opinion about Enjin coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel.